be opening up this present. So I'm really excited. So let's get started. So now let's cut up the gift wrap and we can see what's actually inside. Like, got a sticker before. So this is like extra. Just wanna rub this. Oh, crap! There we go. I don't know. Oh, do you look at it? Okay, this is what includes everything back. Make silly slime that glows in the dark. It's just right there. And it says includes everything you need. Oh my god. It's gonna glow in the dark. So let's take the other plastic cover off. Why did they put so much packaging into it? And it's gonna be like, there's another box in here and then there might be another box and another box and another box and another box. There we go. Ooh, so cool. Okay, it opens like this. So it says 8 years and up, but it's so cool. Instructional sheet. It comes in the book. Okay, instructional sheet, cups, lunch, cups, more cups. Wait, these are containers. Measuring cup, another cup, slime glue, slime powder, and more stuff that I don't know what to use for. And they give us some syringes and some mixing things to make the slime. So let's get started making the slime. So we got 2 bars of clear yellow glue, 3 cups, some containers to keep our slime, a cup to measure, and the instructional sheet. So these are the things that we're going to be needing to make all of the slime. So let's actually open them up. Some pipettes. 2 pipettes. Some ice cream sticks. 5 ice cream sticks. A small spoon. Some teal colored dye. Some powder so that it glows in the dark. And the actuator. So now we're going to be making the slimes. So now we're going to be making the slime actuator. So we're going to be needing 100 ml of warm water and 1 spoon of the slime actuator, and we're going to mix it really fast. I don't know how to do it. Okay. Oh, I'm ready! So now the black solution is ready. It looks exactly the same, but it'll do something, I guess. To make the glue solution, you're going to be needing some normal water, 10 ml of normal water, and 20 ml of glue, this glue. ml for this activator. And 5.0 of the glow-in-the-dark powder. So now I have finished putting the glow-in-the-dark powder. So now let's pour it in more glue. Now I'm gonna mix it. It's forming already. For 2 minutes and it's become slime. So now we're going to add the green dye. Add 2 drops, I think that's enough. Now ASMR.